Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, showbiz update guys. Ganaps ni Nene today at ASAP Live. So, tapos na nga yung short vacay ni Nene sa Boracay with her best friend. So, ayun, back to work na si Nene. So, ito yung pinost ng ASAP. Ayan, 50 days na lang. Pasko na. Hashtag ASAP Super Celebration. Si Kyle, si Robbie, si Nene, and si Edward Barber. Then guys, ito daw yung kinonfirm ni Christopher Manahiwalay na daw yung founder. So, ayan, actor Paolo Avellino and Jenny Gutierrez are rumored to be have broken off from their relationship. The said rumor started when Paolo and Janine arrived separately and barely talked to each other during ABS-CBN Ball 2023. Some netizens even speculate that perhaps there was relationship to being with. Everything was just propaganda for their project. Then entertainment columnist Christopher Mann, during her radio program, Christopher Mann somehow confirmed that said rumors. As she reported, isang source na hindi na nanununog, hindi nangungoriente, tapos na raw talaga ang relasyon nila. Paolo, sabi ni Janine, said Nanay Christopher. Inamin dito sa ating source, Nanay Christy added, fans and followers of the show remain hopeful that the breakup rumors are not true and they wish that the two can still fix whatever problems they might have. So, ayun lang siya guys. Then, other Nene ganaps ngayon sa ASAP. So, by the way guys, yung makita nyo yung pictures and videos dito is credit from Twitter. Actually, di na Twitter ngayon guys. Naka-X na lang yung nakalagay na block. So, ayun lang guys. Yan si Nene with Belle, Robbie, and other kapamilyas. 50 days na lang guys. Pasko na din guys. Malapit na i-release ng ABS-CBN. Then guys, sabay nating abangan yung Christmas Station ID ng ABS-CBN guys. Malapit na siguro nila ipalabas. So, ayun nga, nag-counting na sila. 50 days na lang before Christmas. So, abangan natin yun guys. I'm so duper excited. So, ayun guys. Hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love lahat. Singat kayong lahat.